We now turn to our coverage of the pandemic. Today, Kaiser Permanente says they will now mandate COVID-19 vaccinations for all of their employees. The healthcare organization says nearly 78% of its employees and more than 95% of its doctors have been fully vaccinated. This comes as the highly contagious Delta variant continues to spread and COVID-19 hospitalizations in Fresno County rising very quickly. Our Jocelyn Moran is live from Kaiser tonight in Fresno with more on the patients they're treating. Jocelyn.
Yeah, well, just like you said, COVID-19 hospitalizations have risen significantly in the last week in Fresno County. And here at Kaiser in Fresno specifically, we spoke with a doctor who says just like nationally, most of the patients, the vast majority of the patients they're seeing here are not vaccinated. COVID-19 hospitalizations in Fresno County rising quickly, a 91% increase in just 1 week. Kaiser Permanente Fresno Medical Center is one of the county hospitals experiencing the surge.
I've been seeing increases over pretty quickly over week to week.
Dr. Robert Ferdman cares for COVID-19 patients. He says with this rise, they're seeing younger patients, the vast majority not vaccinated.
Younger population, the 30s, 40s, 50s, and very critically ill, and requiring very high oxygen supports, very high medical demands to keep them alive, in all honesty.
Ferdman says a small minority of patients they're seeing are vaccinated, but it's a different situation.
They're not nearly as critically ill or in severe situations compared to our unvaccinated population. What I've seen is that the vaccine has prevented patients from major complications, critically ill hospitalizations, and deaths as well.
Emergency physician Dr. Sujit Dillon with the UCSF COVID-19 Equity Project says they're starting to see a slight increase in people coming in to get their vaccine.
I think it might be because people are hearing about this new Delta variant and how transmissible it is and how fast it's going through the unvaccinated population.
But Dr. Dillon says they want to see more people, and their push to get people vaccinated is focusing on mobile events.
I think the more people we reach, even if it's 10, 20 people every day, it makes a huge difference. It's here, it's safe. Do your research, call the county, come here, call us, talk to us about it. We can educate you about it.
And in addition to those mobile clinics, they also have a main site for vaccinations. Now, we'll have that information later tonight on our website, yourcentralvalley.com. Live in North Fresno, Jocelyn Moran, KC24, local news that matters.
Thank you, Jocelyn. School is